Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about online resource tips and tricks. And in this video, I will give you a particular website that you can use to edit or format any document online for free without any stress. Let me show you how. If you open up your browser, you can use any type of browser as the case may be. So you can either use Chrome, Edge browser, or whatever browser available at your disposal. Having opened up your browser, you want to make sure you come to this particular website right here, products.groupdocs.app, and then hit enter. It's take you right here. You can see free online document manipulation app. Here, view, convert, merge, watermark, compare, scan data from PDF, Microsoft Office, Visual, Project, Open Office, AutoCAD, 3D, and images. You can scroll down right here and see some of the app and application available on this particular site. So 15 plus app right here for manipulation, 170 formats that you can use, and then it is all free. Then with 40 plus languages, accessibility, fully secure, and then all you have to do here is to upload your file and start your manipulation. Let's say, for instance, you want to work with some of the documents right here, like PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. You want to view them, so just go ahead and click on this tab right here, view documents online. So you can view docs, you can also view Excel, PowerPoint, and many other files online with a free file viewer. What you need to do is to go ahead and then click on browse file right here, and then go ahead and select your file. Like for instance, if you want to view PDF online, just upload your PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, and I'll click on open right here, and it's going to load to the site. Then once it's loaded to the site, you can view loading just like so. Now this is as a password. I'm going to go ahead and enter the password. I'll click on open, and the file is going to load up right here. So this is one of the features that you can use for free on the site. So you can see the file has been fully loaded up right here, just like so. Okay, then let's quickly go back to, so we can view everything we have in this particular file. So once you view the file, you can download as PDF. You can go ahead and preset as the case may be. There's no need of you logging in before you use some of these tools right here. You can also, so just like so, it's that simple. So let's quickly go back to the web and then go back right here. So you can also conversion, which allow you to free web-based format conversion app for documents, spreadsheet, presentation, email, diagram, images, AutoCAD, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, different kind of file. So click on conversion right here, then upload your file for conversion right here. Click on here to upload the file, and in a few seconds it's going to convert your file. We have already processed 88,000 files, and then this is the megabyte they have consumed so far. It's that simple. So these are documents that you can convert from this to this, that is from docs, DOM, etc. These are different file formats from JPEG, TIFF, etc. to this particular image format right here. So you can see email message, email LMS, etc. diagram. So you can convert from some of these to this. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about useful websites like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.